Good morning, welcome back, and thanks for being here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are back again with another amazing video. In our today's video, we are going to show you some shelf bracket design ideas that will inspire you. Shelf bracket are versatile and the practical hardware used to support shelves in various settings such as home, office, and the commercial spaces. They come in a various style, material, and design, making them not only functional but also aesthetically appealing. Here are some shelf bracket ideas along with their benefits and the uses. These brackets are designed to create a sleek and a minimalist look, with the shelf appearing to float on the wall without visible bracket. They offer a modern and a clean aesthetic perfect for contemporary interior. Floating shelf brackets are typically made of metal such as stainless steel and are known for their durability and the strength. Here are some benefits of floating shelf bracket. Create a minimalist look and the modern look in any space. Add the illusion of floating shelf, which can be visually appealing. Provide sturdy support for heavy item and the decoration displays. Easy to install and adjust to the desired height and the desired length. Ideal for displaying book, trophies, and the other decorative items in a living room, office, and the libraries. Perfect for showcasing artwork of collectible and the galleries or the museum. Great for displaying kitchen supplies, spices, or cookbook in the kitchen. Add functionality and style to the bathroom for storing toiletries and the towels. These brackets are designed to be visually appealing and add a decorative element to the shelf. They come in various shapes and the sizes and materials such as brass, bronze, and the wood, and often feature intricate details or unique design. Add a decorative element to a shelf, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the space. Provide sturdy support for item while also serving as a focal point or the statement piece. Offer versatile in design option to match different interior style and the themes. Perfect displaying ornamental items such as vases, sculptural, and the antiques in living room, bedroom, and the offices. Add a touch of elegance to display areas in retail store and the boutiques. Enhance the visual appealing of open shelf in kitchen or the dining areas. Add a stylish touch to the bathroom for storing toiletries and the display the decorative items. These brackets are made of metal pipe and the fitting, giving them an industrial and the artistic look. They are the popular for creating a trendy and the urban vibes in modern interiors and can be used to support shelf made of wood and the other materials. Provide a unique and the trendy industrial look to any space. Offer strength and the durability for supporting heavy items. Can be customized with different pipe length and the fitting to create a personalized design. Ideal for creating a rustic and urban look in a living room, office, or bedroom.